Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics question on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video, I am going to solve exercise 3.3 of square and square roots, publication house, Goel Brothers Prakashan, question number 11 to 18. So let's check it out how to solve question number 11 first. So question number 11 is we have to find out the least number that should be subtracted from 99,880 to make it a perfect square. So what will be the procedure? For procedure, we have to first find out the long division of 99,880. So first making the pair from the right hand side. So 9 is left with, it will go by 3 only. Whole pair would be bringing down. So 3 plus 3 will become 6. So next number we will take 1. So here we will also write 1. So 61 would be the number. Subtract 61 from 98. The number would be 37. Again bringing down the pair of number, again 1 plus 62 would be the number, and then it will go by 6. Here also we will write 6. So number would become 3756. Subtract 3756 from 3780. 24 will be the remainder. So in here we have been asked to find out the least number which should be subtracted from the given number so as to get it or to make it a perfect square. So 24 is the least number. So we will write 24 is least number which will be subtracted to get a or to make a perfect square. So this is the answer. So now proceed with question number 12. So question number 12 is find the least number that should be subtracted from 4,23,922 to make a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. So what would be the procedure? Procedure will be the same. First of all, find the square root by the method of long division. So 42 is the number that we have got. So it will go by 6. 6 is the 36. We will be left with 6. Whole pair of 2 number will be bringing down. So 6 plus 6 will become 12. 5 will be the number. Here also 5 will be the number. So the number would become 625. Just subtract it. So in here we will get 14. Again 22. Here we will plus 5. So it would become 130. And it will go by 1 only. So 1301 would be the number. Subtract 1301 from 1422. We will get 121. So 121 is the number that should be subtracted from 4,23,922 so as to get perfect square. So here we will subtract 121 from 4,23,922. So answer would be 40 4,23,801. So we have also been asked to find out the perfect square of the square root of the perfect square. So square root of 4,23,801 will be 651. That will be the answer. So from 4,23,922 we have to subtract 121, which is the remainder, so as to get a perfect square, that is 4,23,801. So for finding out the square root of 4,23,801, we will be following the same method of long division. So we will get 651, which would be the square root of 4,23,801. Hope question number 12 is clear. Now let's proceed with question number 13. So in question number 13, we have to find out the least number that should be added. So the point to be noted here is, in earlier questions we have been asked to find out the least number that should be subtracted, but in question number 13 we have to find out the least number that should be added to 2,03,369, so as to make it a perfect square, and we also have to find out the square root of that particular perfect square. So let's check it out how to solve. First of all, we will bring out the square root of 2,03,369 by the method of long division. So here it will go by 4 only. So we will find out the square root by long division method. So it will go with 4 only. 16 subtraction, answer would be 4, and whole pair 4 plus 4 8, it will go by 5 only. 4 for 51, 425. Again we will subtract it, we will get 8, then 69. So here 5 will be added, so it will become 90, 901. So if we take 90, the whole number will get multiplied by 0, so number would get become 0 only. So we have to take 1 for sure, but if we take 1, our answer will be greater than 861. So how much greater is 901 than 869? It is not possible. But if we subtract 869 from 901, we will get 32. So 32 should be added to 2,03,369 so as to get perfect square, which is 2,03,401. So we have also been asked to have the square root of 2,03,401, which is equal to 451. That is our answer. Hope question number 3 is clear. So we will be proceed with question number 14, where what we have to do, we have to find the least number that should be added to 1266 to make it a perfect square, and we have also have to find the square root of that perfect square. So we will find out the perfect square by pairing up long division. It will go by 3 3s are 9, 3 will be left, whole 66, and 3 plus, that is 6, 5 will go by 5 only, 325. So 41 is the number which is not proper, or if it will be added to the given number, we will again not be able to get the perfect square. So what we have to do, we have to have the square of 35 is 1266 is greater, and 36 square is greater than 1266. So 1266 is smaller than 1296, and 1296 is greater number. How much greater? 1296 minus 1266, 30. So 30 is the number to be added, and if 30 is to be added in 1266, the number we will get will have the square root as 36, which is our answer. I hope question number 14 is perfectly clear. Now we will be proceeding with the question number 15. So in question number 15, we have to find the greatest number of 5 digits which is a perfect square, also find its square root. In general, as we know, the greatest 5 digit number is 5 times 9. But here we have to find that particular 5 digit number which is also a perfect square, and we have to also find out the square root of that particular perfect square. So same method will be followed here also by long division, of course. 3 3s are 9 minus 0, whole pair will be bringing down, 3 plus 3, 6, it will go by 1 only, 61, we will get 38, whole pair or number 3899, 1 will be added, 6 2, again it will go by 6, the number 3756. So if we subtract 3756 from 3899, we will be getting 143. So as we know, greatest five digit number is 99999, but we have to find the greatest 5 digit number which is also perfect square. So we have to subtract 143 from 99,999 number, we will get 99,856. So this is the number which is 5 digit number and also a perfect square, and its square root 99,856 is 316, which is our answer. I hope question number 15 of exercise 3.3 is very much clear. Now we will be proceeding with question number 16. In question number 16, we have to find the least number of 4 digit which is a perfect square, also find its square root. So least number of 4 digit is 1000, of course. So we have to find out the least number of 4 digit which is also perfect square. So same method will be followed here of long division. 3 3s are 9 minus 1, whole pair will be bringing down, 3 plus 3, that is 6. It will go by 1 only. 61. Our remainder would be 39. So as we can see, 31 square is smaller than 1000 and 32 square is greater than 1000. So that means 1000 is smaller than 1024, which is a square root of 32. Square of 32. So 1024 is required number, and square root of 1024 is 32 square, which is our answer. Have a full glance of question number 16. So in question number 17, the question is find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. So what we have to do, we have to have the LCM of 8, 15 and 20 all together. So we are having the LCM. It will go by 5, 3s are 1s are, again it will go by 3. So here the number is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3, that is 120. So what we were supposed to do, we were supposed to have the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the 8, 15 and 20. So we have the LCM of 8, 15 and 20 as 120, squaring it. So 3600 is the number, or you can say smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number which is given 8, 15 and 20. So have a full glance. Now we will be proceeding for the last question, that is question number 18 of exercise 3.3. So let's check it out how to solve it. So the question number 18 is find the least perfect square exactly divisible by each one of the numbers 4, 5 and 10. So for solving it, first of all we will take the LCM of 4, 5 and 10 all together. That is 2 2s are 4, 5s are and 2 5s are 10. Again it will go by 2 only, then it will go by 5. So we can say 2 into 2 into 5. So what is lesser here? 2 square we already having, but 5 is not in pair. So if we have the pair of 5, that is 2 square into 5 square. So it would become 4 into 25. So 100 is the least perfect square which is divisible, exactly divisible by 4, 5 and 20. This is the whole glance of question number 18. So in here we have completed the exercise 3.3 of square and square roots, class 8, publication house, Goel Brothers